day to everyone. Today in this video I am going to start the first unit of electronic circuits and analysis subject. Particularly in this video I am going to teach the concept of H parameter. What is H parameter? H parameter is the parameter used in hybrid model equivalent circuit of transistor. Why we are going for hybrid equivalent model? To evaluate the performance of a transistor, we should know the equivalent circuit of transistor. For drawing equivalent circuit, we are going for hybrid model equivalent circuit. To understand the concept of H parameter, let us consider the transistor amplifier as a two-port device. Here, this is the two-port device. Let us consider the block as a transistor amplifier. The transistor amplifier may be common emitter amplifier, common collector amplifier, or common base amplifier. The input is given in the input side and output is taken from the output side. Input here, two parameter. IA denotes the input current to the amplifier. VI denotes the input voltage to the amplifier. Two parameters in the output side. I0 denotes the output current from the amplifier. V0 denotes the output voltage from the amplifier. Before writing this function equation, we should know one concept. Bipolar junction transistor is a current controlled device. Current controlled device means output voltage was controlled by input current. This is the basic concept of a bipolar junction transistor. Output voltage is controlled by input current. Output voltage was controlled by input current. These two parameters is the important parameter of transistor amplifier. The remaining two parameter is the function of this two parameter. This is the important parameter. The remaining two parameter is the function of remaining parameters. That's what we are writing in this equation. The remaining parameter Vi is the function of Ia, V0. Vi is the function of Ia, V0. Again, another parameter is there. I0 is the function of Ia, V0. Equation 1 and equation 2. The next step is just we are rewriting this function equation into the mathematical equation using some constant by eliminating the function into constant. The constant here we are choosing as H parameter. Since we are studying H parameter, we are taking the constant as H. H11, H12, H21 and H22. Listen, Bi is equal to H11 into Ii plus H12 into V0. Why 11, 12 means 11 is the first constant of first equation. That's why we are putting as 11. 12 means the second constant of first equation. 12. Similarly, the second equation can be rewritten as I0 is equal to H21. 21 means the first constant of second equation. That's why we are putting as H21 Ia plus H22. Second constant of second equation. Equation 3 and equation 4. Then next, just we are rewriting this numerical notation into alphabetical notation. For evaluation purpose, H11 was replaced by HII. The reason behind this is I will explain in the next upcoming topic. HII, H12 is replaced by HR, H21 is replaced by HF, and H22 is replaced by H0. Consider this equation as equation number 5 and equation number 6. Okay, from the two equation 5 and equation 6, we are going to define the four parameters. HI, HR, HF and H0. When V0 is equal to 0, V0 is equal to 0 means shorting the output. To make output voltage is equal to 0, we can short the output circuit 0. Automatically the equation becomes Vi is equal to Hi into Ii. From this equation we can find Hi is equal to Vi divided by Ii. Vi divided by Ia is nothing but voltage divided by current. Input voltage divided by input current. Input voltage divided by input current is automatically known as input impedance of a circuit. Input impedance. That's why we named this parameter as HI. HI is nothing but input impedance of a transistor. Input impedance HI is equal to VI divided by IA, or we can write H11. H11 is equal to HI is equal to VI divided by IA, that is equal to input impedance of a circuit. Then coming to the second parameter HR, to find HR, let us consider IA is equal to 0. To make IA is equal to 0, just open the input circuit. By opening the input circuit, the equation when IA is equal to 0, the equation becomes VI is equal to HR into V naught. From this equation we can find HR is equal to VI divided by V naught by opening the circuit. I is equal to 0. This equation is nothing but input voltage divided by output voltage. If it is output voltage divided by input voltage, we can say it is a forward voltage gain. But here the equation says VI divided by V naught, input voltage divided by output voltage. That's why we are naming this parameter as HR, reverse voltage gain. This is second parameter, this is first parameter. Now coming to the third parameter. Third parameter is HF. To find HF, let us consider the output voltage is equal to 0 when V naught is equal to 0. How we can make V naught is equal to 0? By shorting the output circuit. By shorting the output circuit, we can say we can make output voltage is equal to 0. The equation becomes I naught is equal to HF into IA. The equation, from this equation we can find HF is equal to I naught divided by IA by considering V naught is equal to 0. See this equation, I naught divided by IA, output current divided by input current. It is a forward current gain. That's why we are naming this parameter as HF, forward Now going for fourth parameter. For finding the fourth parameter, let us consider input current is equal to 0. How we can make input current is equal to 0? By opening the input circuit, the equation becomes I naught is equal to H naught into V naught. From this equation we can find H naught is equal to I naught divided by V naught. See this equation, H naught is equal to I naught divided by V naught, output current divided by output voltage. Current divided by voltage is the admittance. Here output current divided by output voltage, we can say it is an output admittance. In this video, we have studied four H parameter from the equation. The first parameter is HI. HI is equal to VA divided by IA. It is input impedance. Second parameter is HR, that is a reverse voltage gain, VI divided by I naught. The third parameter is HF, I naught divided by IA, forward current gain. The fourth parameter is H naught, I naught divided by V naught, output admittance. That's all about H parameter. Let us discuss midband analysis in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.
World-class education.